Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device is ready. Open Google Pay and sign into your Google account. Next, tap the Payment or Cards section and choose Add a Payment Method to begin. This is the first actionable step. Enter card details or select bank linking and follow the on-screen authentication prompts. Once done, accept terms and allow required permissions such as contactless payments and location. Make sure NFC is enabled so your device can transmit payment tokens at terminals. After adding a payment method, authenticate to prove ownership. Expect an SMS code, email link, or small temporary bank deposit with a verification code. Enter that code in Google Pay to verify the card or bank. Meanwhile, set secure device authentication, PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock, because Google Pay requires strong device security to issue cryptographic payment tokens. Once verification succeeds, make the newly added card your default if you prefer. This controls which card to finish. Test the link by making a small contactless payment or using Google Pay in an app to confirm tokens are working. If a payment is declined, first reboot your phone and ensure NFC is on. Then open Google Pay, reselect the card, and try again. If verification failed due to authorization holds or security blocks, contact your bank to whitelist Google Pay or resolve the hold. Finally, make sure Google Pay and Play services are updated to avoid compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.